iNSTONE Inventor Pro 3D Printer. International advanced technology with imported accessories, which is quite stable. 0.1 mm print accuracy. 240 x 160 x 160 mm forming size. Air filtration system to reduce dust pollution. Support for PLA, ABS, and other materials. Closed body makes it easy to print with ABS material. Semi-closed mode printing. Full closed mode printing. Only simple training is required, even if you have never used a 3D printer. You can easily create your favorite model. Print platform applies modular design, which makes it easy to achieve leveling and makes printing more stable. Model more accessible. iNSTONE Inventor Pro 3D printer nozzle has a diameter of 0.4 mm. After several generations of improvement, the brand new design now can ensure no clogging and drawing by normal use, so as to provide true high-precision printing. Using 3.5-inch touchscreen, the body features Wi-Fi function, which can achieve wireless printing. The touchscreen set at the top of the machine provides customers with a better vision to avoid the long-term bending operation, so as to access users with more options and operation experience. Printer setting steps. 1. Lift XY belt, buckle, and feed. 2. Apply 3D printing special glue on glass platform and then install and set glass platform. 3. Set parameters through the touchscreen and start the warm-up leveling mode. 4. Set leveling with paper. 5. Set parameters through the touchscreen and start 3D printer. 6. When printing, you can check the expected end time on the touchscreen. 7. When printing is finished, after a few seconds for cooling down, take out the removable glass. Then remove the model.